Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel a Gemini Advanced subscription. So first of all, you need to sign in, of course, and then click on your profile icon at the top here of your Google account, and then click Manage your Google account. After you've done that, you want to click Payments and Subscriptions. And on Payments and Subscriptions, you will see Subscriptions option. So when you have signed up to Gemini Advanced, you actually signed up to Google One AI Premium. So to manage your subscriptions, you're going to click here and you're going to again click right there. And as you can see, this is the upcoming charging for me. So you want to go ahead and just click Cancel Subscription here. And for example, I don't use the service enough, and then cancel subscription. And after that, your Gemini Advanced was canceled. If you want to have Google One, you just have to resubscribe on Google One. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.